Hey guys, we thought it's about time to get a new color to our hair range. So here is our Mocha Bronde highlight extension. The reason we call it highlights is cause the color starts from top and is not ombre. It kind of gives a piano effect, doesn't it? Now, if you were to compare with the balayage extensions, the transition in the balayage is smooth, whereas the highlight extensions have color starting from the top. The making of the extensions is also seamless, so it's super flexible, lays flat, and is very comfortable to wear for long hours. Now let me show you how to clip the 7 set on. Since my hair is short, I'm going to tie up the bottom hair so that the blend is more realistic. I'm first going to be putting on the 3 clips, layer the 4 clip extensions above that. Then I'm going to take another section and place the 3 clips on top of the 4 clips. So it goes like 3 clip extension, 4 clip extension and 3 clip extension. Now that the layering at the back is done, let's get on to the front pieces. I'm doing a side partition today, and as we normally do, I'll be layering the 2 clips first, followed by the 1 clip, and repeat the same process on the other side as well. Now to blend the front pieces, I'll be using a straightener to curl the front hair. And here you go, the final look is ready. I hope you liked our Mocha Bronde highlights, and if there are any other colors that you would like us to introduce, please comment below.